curious explorers to a fascinating journey through the incredible life cycle of butterflies. Join us as we uncover the magical transformation from egg to butterfly. Our story begins with a female butterfly gracefully laying tiny eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs may vary in appearance depending on the species of butterfly. As time passes, the eggs hatch and cute caterpillars emerge into the world. These keen eaters quickly grow bigger as they munch on leaves, fueled by their huge appetites. When the caterpillar has eaten his fill, it embarks on a remarkable transformation. It forms a protective shell called a chrysalis around itself, signaling the start of its metamorphosis. Inside the chrysalis, a magical metamorphosis takes place. The caterpillar undergoes a stunning transformation, emerging as a breathtaking butterfly, ready to take flight and explore the world. And there you have it, dear friends, the remarkable journey of butterfly life cycle from egg to butterfly. Let this wondrous transformation inspire you to appreciate the beauty and magic of nature around us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and embracing the wonders of the world around you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more wonderful adventures. See you soon.